How to find trending audio on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Reels icon. Now, as you scroll through the Reels, look at the bottom left of each video. You will see the name of the audio being used. Some Reels have original sounds, while others use songs. What we are looking for is a small arrow pointing up and to the right next to the audio name. This arrow means the sound is currently trending. Once you find a reel with a trending audio, tap on the name of the song. On the next screen, you will see the song's details, including the number of reels that have used it. If you want to use the audio, tap Use Audio. This will open the camera, allowing you to record a reel or upload a video from your gallery. If you are not ready to use the song yet, tap the Save icon in the top right corner. This will add the song to your saved audio, so you can use it later when creating a reel or a story. You can also explore more trending songs by scrolling through the list of related audios. You will see how many reels have been made with each one. Higher numbers usually mean the audio is gaining popularity. That's how to find trending audio on Instagram.